What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Chilling with Chen. I'm Chen and I hope you're chilling today. We have a quick look at and unboxing on this cool Power D-Wise 3.5 microphone lavalier jack microphone. Now, quick story about why I got this. So as you guys know, if you've been watching my previous videos, I've just done some I got a review coming and a quick look at these moment lenses in case for the Pixel 2 XL. And I really wanted to start doing videos on using my phone. I wanted to do videos using the Pixel 2 XL. I wanted to see if YouTube videos would be good and the quality, because I do have a Nikon Coolpix B700, but it's not really a good camera for these type of things. And if it is, I'm using it wrong. So hopefully this helps out. And I was like, it would be a good idea to get this microphone to hook up to the Pixel 2 XL so that I'll be able to record my voice in a better, my voice will sound better. But no, this is a 3.5 jack microphone. Sorry about that. And my phone does not have a headphone jack. All in all, it's all good. It does plug into the iPad, so I'm going to try in the next video to record using the phone, but then also record the audio with this microphone on the iPad and put the two together. But let's go ahead and take a look at this here. I'll put a link in the description below on where you can find it and how much it is. Now, it's pretty cool because to work with a PC, laptop, or DSLR, you need the 4 to 3 pin adapter, and they included it. So that's kind of cool. Again, I got this on Amazon. Nothing else in here. And now we have what looks to be register for free. Thank you for choosing us. We hope you're satisfied. We got a warranty card here, a short guide on what it brings. So it brings a 6.5 foot cord, rotating clip, wind muff, storage pouch, and a 79-inch extension cable. Shows you how to use it. Use any voice or video recording app. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, what do we got here? 2 people get free. Test the Power D-Wise mic for at least 1 week. If you're happy with the recordings, message us in the bottom right corner. So that's cool. You get a register for free. I think I get a cool. You get a cool mic. There's a little thing here that if your Android smartphone does not recognize the microphone, don't panic. Just read this guide. So I guess they might have issues with Android phones. They also gave me a cool screen lens cleaner. Oh, that's nice. I can clean my lens here. All right. And here it does say easy steps, great recordings, ensure a tight connection between all components. And on the other side, you got having a problem, don't panic. So don't panic, guys. It is pretty cool that they gave us this nice bag here. Let's open up the bag, see what goodies are inside. We have the microphone, the wires. Okay, so this is the mic, and this I think is the wind thing. And this is where it goes onto your lapel on your shirt. This is a 3.5 jack. Okay, nice long wire too. And then what else is in here? Oh, we got the long extension. I love it. And what else? Okay, they gave us some extra. What do they call it? Wind muffers. And this is the plug that's needed for the DSLR or PC laptop. So that's pretty cool. So you got the bag, you got the mic, you got the extension cord, some wind. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can take a look at that. Here we go. The windpipe. So you got the bag, you got the mic, you got the extension cord, and you have 2 extra wind muffers and a plug to use with your PC, laptop, or DSLR. Pretty cool. So in my future videos, I'm going to try out this mic and see how it works with my phone recording the videos. That's about it. That was a quick look at the PowerWise Lavalier microphone. Let me know if you guys use these for your videos. What you use to record, I'd like to know in case I need to step up my game. But I appreciate you guys taking a look at this video. Hit that like button if it gave you any likeness. Subscribe. And if you do want to know when the next video comes out, which should be soon, click on that notification bell so you can get that immediately. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.